Hello, I'm Sunny. The word of today is 米. In this video, I will teach you how to pronounce it, how to write it, and how to use it. First, let's read together. 我们一起读米摸一 third tongue 米 Okay, let's write it. 我们一起写点撇横竖撇捺米 first meaning is meter. 1 meter 1米 2 meters 2米 and second meaning is uncooked rice. So, I go to supermarket to buy some rice. 我去超市买米 Okay, this is all about 米 If you liked this video, please like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.